Good, hi, good morning. Welcome to Yes, thank you for your reservation. I'm Miss Alexis. This is Rowan. I'm okay. Excuse me, Mr. Joe. If you pay a bill for the table for you, this way you enter this flower is at the both sides of the would this table make you comfortable, ma'am? Yes, it is nice and neat. Ambience is so attractive and cozy. Thank you for the conversation. May I know how the table have been very nice and place it on your lap? Yes, you may. Parang ba? Good morning. Here is your water. Excuse me, ma'am. I present to you our new book for your food and beverage selection. Would you like to have an appetizer or a dish, ma'am? I prefer to have an appetizer. Would you like grilled oyster that will surely boost your appetite? Alright, I'll try that one. Here is your grilled oyster, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I now take your order? What meal would you suggest? I would like you to try our soup of the day, which is the seafood marinado. Consists of prawns, squid, and oyster with special coconut milk from our chef. Alright, I'll try that one. For the salad now, we have winter green salad. It is a mixed green leafy vegetables like Chinese cabbage, spinach, and broccoli in a vinegar sauce. Wow, it's a mouth-watering. How about try our best seller of the day? We have red pork ribs with sweet and chili sauce that will satisfy your taste. Sounds good, I'll try that one. How about wine now to complement your red pork ribs? What would you suggest? We have Shiraz red wine from Italy, which has an alcoholic volumes of 12% and 753 volumes since 1997. Alright, I'll take that one. How about your dessert now? We have black forest cake made of pure chocolate powder and a high-class cake flour that is very much delicious. I'll try that one. May I now repeat your order, ma'am? Yes, I may. You ordered seafood marinado for your soup, winter green salad for your salad, grilled pork ribs for your meal, Shiraz red wine for your beverage, black forest cake for your dessert. Did I get your order right, ma'am? Yes. Is there anything else you need, ma'am? None so far? Thank you.